Welcome to this tutorial on how to use the Cloudinary advanced video component in Vue.js to deliver optimized videos right to your users. We'll go through creating a basic video example, applying various transformations, passing native HTML attributes, and reacting to certain events. For the demo, I have created this simple Vue free feed and tailwind CSS application that has a header and displays a video with a cute dog below. The optimized video.view component is responsible for displaying the video element that can be optimized with Cloudinary. As you can see, we have already imported the advanced video component from Cloudinary Vue package and used it in a template with basic configuration. Let's take a look at how we can customize and optimize it even further. In some scenarios, we might want to apply transformations such as resize to make the video element have just the dimensions we need. Let's see how we can do that with the code. We would need to resize our video by passing a fill transformation function and specifying both width and height of the video element we want to achieve. Let's see how it looks like in the browser. There are two additional different approaches available for passing transformations to our advanced video. The first involves the usage of passing a raw transformation string to add transformation method. The second one will focus on the object-based approach that will be later transformed into string. Apart from transformations and optimizations, the advanced video component by Cloudinary allows passing native video HTML attributes such as controls we used in the beginning of the video. But we can also add more attributes, such as loop, to make our video restart at the end. Let's add it to our advanced video component and inspect the browser to see how it works. In some scenarios, you might need to react to the underlying Cloudinary video player events, such as displaying a notification that the video is started or paused. Let's take a look at how it can be implemented in our application. The advanced video component accepts a method prop that will be fired once certain player event will be triggered. Let's add a console log once the play event will start. And do the same for pause event. Let's now inspect the browser and the console tab. When we click play and pause, the events are triggered and we can react to them accordingly. Let's review. You have learned how to use advanced video component in Vue.js to deliver optimized videos, including transformations in 3 different approaches, events, and native attributes. Check out official Cloudinary documentation about video transformations in Vue and general documentation about video transformations for more examples.